Other news now, prosecutors are reviewing newly released video of an incident that led to a South Jersey officer's arrest. That officer was charged with assault after using pepper spray on a group of teenagers last week.
No. Cell phone video captured the moment Camden County prosecutors say Woodlynne police officer Ryan Dubiel pepper sprayed a 16-year-old on a front stoop without provocation.
We got a call for trespassing. It's my house. She always call you. We're not on her porch.
Now we could see what led up to the incident from the officer's own body cam footage released by county prosecutors. What Dubiel said was a call from a neighbor complaining about the gathered group escalated as the teens questioned why they couldn't gather on one of their front porches.
Put the phone down.
Dubiel ordering one teen to put down his phone, later telling another officer he was concerned he'd use the phone to call in reinforcements.
You keep coming out here, outnumbered 20 to 1. I'm going to get back up. They start flexing on us. I spray, you know.
Dubiel is under investigation by the Camden County Prosecutor's Office for that use of force on Woodlynne's Parker Avenue a week ago.
It is unconscionable that an officer who carries lethal force with them would be that casual about deploying force of any kind.
What was his issue with the kids?
Nothing. The kids wasn't doing anything. The kids were just sitting there minding their own business.
Maria Vigiano told NBC 10 Sydney Long today police never announced why they were there, despite the officer heard telling the teens it was for a trespassing complaint. In obvious pain from the pepper spray and complaining he couldn't see, Vigiano's son was later cuffed and ordered on the ground.
It's because I'm black, right? My partner's black. What are you talking about?
Dubiel is now suspended without pay and charged with 2 counts of assault. The incident eventually drew police from 3 towns. It's unclear which officer later helped the teen rinse his eyes with a garden hose.
I was stunned. And then I was outraged, to see that an officer that is sworn to protect and serve the general public actually committed a crime right before our very eyes.
This George Floyd stuff, this is really getting ridiculous. The cops now are thinking that they can just do anything to anybody.
No one answered the door today at Officer Dubiel's home. Woodlynne's head of public safety says the borough will release a statement tomorrow. Before his 10 months with Woodlynne PD, Dubiel was an officer in Camden, one of 9 different departments where he's worked. The teen involved in this case was given a citation for underage drinking and smoking. His mother says neither is true.